Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are we seeing this? So today we're gonna be doing cute beachy makeup with just a couple products. I brought like 4 things, but this is my go-to makeup for any time I'm just not trying to do too much, just like a light, easy makeup look, effortless, super natural beauty, just enhancing the face. I actually did my eyebrows off camera because I didn't even want to deal with that. But this is the eyebrow pencil I use. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. These are the products. This is like one of the new Fenty Beauty concealers. I don't know if you guys have seen. I mean, I'm sure everybody already knows they exist because I don't know. I don't go in Sephora super often, but I just saw this in there. It's like a lighter weight. It's hydrating long wear concealer. So I find that it just helps my skin look a lot glowier. It really gives me that summer look. I literally just do a couple dots. Just anywhere you have spots or anything. Or a pimple like this one. I'm on my period right now, so it is natural and it happens. So there's no point being upset over a pimple. They're just gonna go away. This is rose water that a wellness lady gave me. So I just find that it helps my concealer blend in a little bit better. I was trying not to get too close to the camera because I didn't want you guys to be looking at my mustache, but it's fine, honestly. I love my mustache. I hate that my makeup brushes always look dirty because literally you do your makeup one time and it's okay, the whole brush is brown. And I really try and avoid my forehead just because I don't really need makeup on my forehead. But that being said, as you can see, my forehead is a completely different color than the rest of my body. My whole body is all different colors. My hands don't match my face. My hands don't match my chest. It's all, my hands are just really dark, honestly. And my arms. So I think it's all blended. I can't really see because I'm doing my makeup in the camera. But this is my little easy makeup routine, so whatever. I hate when the piece of the brush get stuck on my face. That was actually a piece of hair from my dog's tail. So this is my contour. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand in the darker version. I think she only has 2 colors. Charlotte Tilbury, is she white? Probably. When I get a tan, this does not hit the same, so I don't get to use it as much as I'd like to. And I have to savor every last precious drop in this 0.40 ounce bottle that I pay $30-something for. So make some more, make some darker colors. It'll sell. You don't have to worry about black people not buying your stuff if that's a concern of yours. I actually don't know anything about that brand. I have no idea if the owners, I'm not really in the makeup world. I did used to watch makeup YouTubers. It's so funny because I never really watched their makeup videos. I mean, I guess they'd be talking and doing their makeup. But there were so many people that would just kind of talk and do their makeup, and I would just listen to their stories, not even paying attention to the makeup. I don't know many products or brands or anything like that, but the stuff I do I really do like. And when I like something, I like to share that with people. I'm not a gatekeeper unless I have a reason or I don't know. I'm trying to think of any reason that I would gatekeep something. Maybe if I found out the brand was actually horrible after I already bought the stuff. Where's my, I usually use my Pat McGrath cream blush stick, but I don't know where it is. Oh my god, it's literally right here. I don't know how I didn't see that. So I'm going to use my Pat McGrath cream blush stick. And I just do a couple dots like on my cheeks. And then for the summer glow, like I just do my nose. And then I just tap it in with my fingers. And I try and like work it up my cheek just because I saw, you know, you can't really help what your algorithm shows you. So I'll see like beauty tips and stuff. And some of them are good ideas. They're like, oh, do your blush up higher so it doesn't make your face look droopy, whatever. So I just kind of blend it. I blend it like into my under eye concealer and I just kind of like let that mix. And then I just kind of like stab myself in the eye a couple times with my nail. And yeah. So literally just like patting it out. Okay. So this is what we're looking like so far. It's cute. It's giving, yes, I live on an island. No, I'm not from California. I actually am from an island somewhere. Don't ask me which island. And then, oh my gosh, Pat McGrath also sent me this like little, okay, lip pencil. Looks like this. The color is Bellamore. And I just like to do like a light, like subtle, because this is a very bright pink. So I just like to give my lips like just enough color, but not like, you know, over the top with it. And then next I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. Ilia, they have the best mascara in my opinion. This is the best I've found since the Better Than Sex mascara that I used to use in high school. And yes, I blink my mascara on. I don't know, I feel like the lashes like running intentionally through the brush does something. I don't care what anybody says, like you're not supposed to blink your mascara on. I absolutely do, and it absolutely does what it needs to do. So oh, this camera's a little too good. Oh my God. What is that in my eye? My eye's all crusty and shit. Oh my God. So yeah, this is what, it's an easy, like quick makeup look. Obviously it's not perfect. I didn't even like brush my eyebrows. You can perfect it a little bit more if you want, but I honestly just don't care. Like, I don't care about my pimple. Like, I don't care that my skin's not flawless. It's like I still feel gorgeous. So, like, it feels like just my regular self, but just a little more, like, yes, I am. My cheeks are flushed and, like, my skin is glowing. Like, it's whatever. Like, who cares if you have a little, like, some acne? Like, I don't know. I feel like we're all adults now and stuff like that shouldn't matter. But it does because, you know, all these industries profit off of us being insecure. And, you know, I don't say that to like criticize anyone or pretend I'm better than anyone, because here I am making a YouTube makeup video. So, I don't know. I just never really, I don't know. I feel like whatever makes you happy, like do your thing. And then this came in the mail for me, so I'm like, okay, I'll start using this. It is a setting powder from YSL. They also sent my dad stuff for Father's Day, which I thought was like really cute and nice. I honestly get a lot of gifting from brands that I never post and like don't talk about or promo, because like I have to give me time to try the product first, and if I'm really wowed by it, then I'll share it with my audience. But like I really don't care a lot to be just sharing anything. I really try to share things that I like actually really like and like that actually leave an impression on me. I feel like so much of my life is just brands trying to impress me with things, and just everything is just about like selling shit and making money and like profiting off of somebody. And I don't know. I've even debated with myself. I own a company. I own an athletic wear brand. just like all this making things and selling to people, like, what is it doing? Like, do we need more things in the world? So that's something I've been battling with for a year now, and I still, like, it's kept me from like launching new products. Like, I just feel I don't want to contribute anything horrible to this world because I'm a guest here and I'm enjoying my time. Like, I want other generations that come after me to be able to enjoy their time as well. So I'm just kind of like, do we all just have to play the game? Or like, and I know that my small business is not like contributing anything really at all to the environment, but anything huge. But it's just like all of these giant corporations, like, no, everybody's really like, it's about the money, it's about the money, it's about the money. Like, if we were living right, we wouldn't even need money. I'm just so, I don't know. Urban Decay all-nighter that I have been refilling for a good 2 years. And then you set the face. Just getting ready. Yeah, so this is the makeup routine. This is my just like kind of everyday or beachy kind of look. I mean, I live at the beach, so every day's beach day. Come on, babies. Oh, come on. Yes, here we go. Okay. Oh, hi. You following me? They need to be following my YouTube channel. So this is what it looks like in natural sunlight. Come on, babies. Okay, I'll help you because you're small. Come on. Come on, Prince. Come on, Baxter. Come on, Baxter. Come on. This is why people hate me, because I'm living their dream. Okay, so that was my like quick, easy little makeup routine. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening to me. And I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye!